I had to create a free shot like when an actual like gun got pulled and the bullets came out and it went into him and blood started splattering. I had to pause it, bro, because YouTube don't allow us to post gory videos, bro. So I posted it on the Instagram, bro. Go check it out there, man. But here's what I would say regarding this in particular, bro. First off, it was a setup, man, because he's outside a crib, folks. That ain't Slim 400 crib. He's outside a crib. How they find him at that crib? And then also, too, bro, I'm going to say this, though, man. I don't know what Slim 400 was doing in these streets. I don't know what dirt Slim 400 was doing in these streets, bro. But that wasn't no robbery, all right? That wasn't no at whim. I just caught you, for me, I'm going to shoot you. Nah, bro. That right there is a shooting, is a pack out of years of aggression pent up, bro. That nigga looked like he was waiting to catch Slim 400, right, bro? That's a shooting right there that you know he was praying all his life to catch Slim 400, bro. Because when he emptied it out, Slim 400 fell to the ground on the grass and he leaned over Slim 400 and emptied out the clip, bro. It got to a point where Slim 400 grabbed the gun. Right, bro, he was dragging Slim 400 across the grass while emptying out the clip, bro. I don't know what Slim 400 did to these niggas, bro. I don't know what Slim 400 did to these niggas, dog. But I pray to God, no nigga ever in the history of life hate me to the point where they would do me like that, bro. Pray to the history of life that no dusty Negro will despise me to the point where they would do me like that, bro. That man died like a dog in the grass, man. Told y'all in my first video, right? Yo, I got a lot of information I can't share, bro. I got a lot of information regarding the shooting that I really can't share. I'm telling y'all right now, bro, when the actual details come out, this like Slim 400 shooting, this Slim 400 murder, bro, it's more intricate than a Young Dolph murder, bro. There's a lot more mystery and clues here, right, that we didn't have, bro, because this right here is despicable. This right here is despicable, bro. Listen, Slim 400 was a millionaire, bro. Imagine being a millionaire and dying in the streets. Dying in the streets from a nigga who's wearing a beat-up tank top, bro. That nigga wearing a wife beater, right? Bro, that nigga wife beater is out here ashy and crusty, bro. That nigga probably got cum shots on his wife beater, bro, and you died in the streets by that nigga, bro. Life ain't fair, man. Life ain't fair, bro, right? But there's a lot of things we got to really examine here, man. One, how did he know Slim 400 was going to be there? Why was Slim 400 at that crib? Why was he there, right? And who else is that? I'm telling you right now, bro, once I can really talk, once I can really put out the details, folks, it's going to get real spooky. It's going to get real spooky, bro. Because let's be real, man, y'all know me, bro. I ain't no street nigga. I ain't no street nigga, right? Listen, I don't abide by the musty nigga code, bro. I'm being real with y'all, bro, right? So the no snitching policy, they going to consider me as a blogger posting up videos, telling what I know, posting up videos, right, making my accurate assumptions, right, and just giving the facts of the case. If they gonna call that snitching, nigga, I'm snitching, bro. I don't give a damn, bro. I ain't part of that musty nigga street code-ish, bro. No snitching, nigga. I'm a blogger, bro. So I can't wait to speak, folks. So please, 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 bro, click the sub button, click the Instagram to see the full video. And folks, I got y'all, bro. I got y'all, man. We gonna really break down the case information once I got to go ahead to really put out the information. I told y'all in the first video, bruh, I got a lot of information that hasn't hit the streets yet, folks. Trust me, we gonna really break this case open. It's your boy, Poetic Flacco. Anywhere you go, anybody, you know, somebody gotta know me, folks. So please click that like, sub, and comment, as well as that notification bell, man, so you get notified when I drop 24/7. It's your boy, Poetic Flacco. I'm out of here, folks. Peace.
Got a handout. My brother said, be a stand-up nigga and stand 10 toes down. If one way don't work, fuck it, we still gotta find a way out.